Users can now machine undercut regions in 3 axes when using a steep and shallow toolpath with tools capable of cutting upper profiles. This improvement will save you plenty of programming and machining time, as it will minimize the number of setups needed for your finishing operations. Let's look into this in more detail. Looking at the part on my screen, you can see that if I run the Accessibility Analysis tool, there are areas that I wouldn't be able to reach with a straight-sided tool in a 3-axis configuration. This improvement allows you to use steep and shallow to machine undercuts in 3 axes with lollipop, disc, barrel, or dovetail cutters. Let's look at the example on my screen. In the Tool tab, I selected my lollipop tool. In the Geometry tab, I selected this area, adding 2 mm of additional offset. Moving on to the Passes tab, I need to remember to set my threshold angle to 0 degrees. This will make the Machine Undercuts checkbox appear. Lastly, I want to make sure that in the Tool Axis tab, my primary tool axis mode is set to vertical and I don't have collision avoidance active to ensure the toolpath will be output in 3 axes. I can now simulate the toolpath to see my tool machining the side wall of my part, including the undercuts. One last thing before concluding. If before running your stock simulation you'd like to see what areas are accessible by the active tool, you can use the new Draw Tool on Cursor functionality, activating it from the navigation bar or using the shortcut Ctrl-T. This way, you can save valuable programming time by avoiding calculating toolpaths unnecessarily. Hopefully this video is a good starting point for you to understand how to use this new functionality.